Today, we're on a journey to find your perfect makeup glow up, a transformation that celebrates you exactly as you are, whether you're Black, Korean, Latina, Asian, American, or anywhere in between. This isn't about trends, it's about your unique features, your skin tone, your vibe, your flair. First, let's talk about why a personalized glow-up matters. Just like no two fingerprints are the same, no two glow-ups should be identical. Makeup isn't a copy-paste tool, it's more like a recipe that needs the right seasonings for your taste buds. Your perfect makeup look is one that enhances your natural beauty, helping you show up as your best self. Now, the heart of your glow-up starts with understanding your skin tone and undertone. Your undertone is the subtle hue beneath the surface of your skin, and it guides which makeup colors will look best on you. The three main undertones are warm, cool, and neutral. You can figure this out by looking at the veins on your wrist under natural light. If your veins look greenish, you likely have a warm undertone infused with golden or peach hues. If they appear bluish or purplish, you're probably cool, with pink, red, or blue hues underneath. If you can't quite decide or see a mix, you might be neutral, balancing elements of both warm and cool. If you tan easily in the sun, your undertone is most likely warm. If you tend to burn or blush more, you're probably cool. Neutral undertones usually mean you don't strongly lean either way and can often wear a wider range of shades. When choosing foundation, think of it like trying on jeans, it has to fit just right. Don't settle for a match based on brand or popularity. Try samples, blend two shades if needed, and tools for shade matching can be lifesavers. For example, the NYX Total Control Pro Drop Foundation on Amazon offers a wide shade range and fine control, making foundation matching easier and more tailored. Next up is color analysis, which sounds fancy but is actually fun and super helpful. Everyone fits into a seasonal palette: spring, summer, autumn, or winter, which includes colors that naturally complement your skin's undertone and bring out your best features. For instance, winters generally shine in cool and bold colors like crisp whites, jewel tones, and classic reds. Summers also have cool undertones but lean towards softer hues such as rosy pinks, lavender, and pastels. Autumns carry warm undertones and look amazing with earth tones like bronze, copper, and moss green, while springs, also warm, glow with bright and fresh shades like coral, golden yellow, and turquoise. After your skin is happy, apply primer. You can think of it as a smooth tablecloth for your makeup to lie on. The e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer is a great budget-friendly option that smooths skin texture and blurs pores. Foundation is next. Apply in light layers and blend well past your jawline to avoid any obvious lines. Whether you use a brush or sponge, choose whatever tool feels best to you. Then comes concealer, perfect for under eyes and any pesky spots. Blend by patting, not rubbing. Your eyebrows frame your face and give structure. Use a pencil, powder, or gel to fill them in lightly. I love the NYX Precision Brow Pencil because it has shades for everyone and is easy to work with. For the eyes, experiment boldly or softly. Deep liners, soft shimmers, or bright jewel tones can all look amazing depending on your mood and occasion. Mascara opens up your eyes, offering that fluttery effect. Maybelline Lash Sensational is a classic, readily available on Amazon, that most people adore. Cheeks need a natural flush, whether you prefer powder, cream, or tint. Apply blush on the apples of your cheeks and sweep slightly upward for a lifted look. When it comes to highlighting and contouring, gently accentuate your cheekbones, brow bones, and jawline for subtle dimension and radiance. Lipsticks are the final kiss on your glow-up. From bold reds to neutral nudes, line and fill your lips or simply dab a tinted balm for a fresh look. Revlon's Super Lustrous Lipstick offers a broad range of long-lasting shades suitable for many skin tones. Let's also celebrate the beauty of diversity. For deeper and richly pigmented black skin beautifully, think jewel tones like sapphire, royal blues, or gold highlights that make skin glow vibrantly. East Asian and Korean skin tones look gorgeous with bright corals, petal pinks, and soft shimmers that bring out natural luminosity. South Asian and Indian complexions shine with metallic gold, sapphire blue liners, and peachy nude lips. Latina and olive-toned skins beam with warm bronzes, copper, and honey shades, while fair and light European complexions are beautifully complemented by pastels, rose tones, and icy highlights. While Kaya Beauty Bento eyeshadow palettes offer soft and playful options inspired by Korean beauty trends. To help you find exactly what suits your unique complexion, products like Black Opal True Color Foundation Stick are wonderful for deeper tones. Milani Baked Blush has a beautiful sun-kissed effect that works universally. Whether your features are soft and rounded or angular and sharp, adapting your makeup to enhance your natural shape can boost your self-love even more. For instance, fuller faces benefit from gentle contouring and bold eyes, while angular faces can use highlight to add softness.